Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace a battery in this Corvette key fob. You're going to need one of the 2450 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description that will take us straight there. I'm also going to be using a small flat tip screwdriver. Alright, so what you want to do is press this button here and pull your mechanical key out. Next, take the mechanical key and find this slot right here and insert and just give it a firm push, and that'll pop out this back piece. You can see how that goes in right there. Next, peel this back, take your screwdriver, insert it gently right here, pull your dead battery out. Your new battery goes in like this first, make sure it gets under that lip, and put this cover back on. Now you want to put it in this top clip first, and then just give that firm squeeze here. Put your key back in, and you're all set. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.